Yo, what's good? I'm Real Deal, and today I want to share with you 10 songs that always put me in a good mood, no matter what. I want to preface by saying that this list is in no particular order. These are just 10 songs that always put me in a good mood. This week has been a heavy week for me as far as my mental health goes, and nothing in particular happened. It's actually been a pretty decent week. As far as dopamine go, I went to go see Chicago with my sisters on Sunday, and that was a lot of fun. Memorable. It's one of Jackie's favorite musicals, and I've been a thespian since I was like 13. You know, I love musicals.
Evelyn, Jackie, so what's I think this is our third musical we watched together. We've seen Lion King, Moulin Rouge, and this is Chicago.
I guess I feel like life has just been getting heavy lately. I feel like I'm being backed into a corner, and I'm gonna have to make a choice soon because I've been very plateaued for the last couple of months. I don't know what it is. I feel like there's something in my routine that's making me feel this way, and I haven't figured out what it is. But anyways, so when I'm feeling down in the dumps, when I'm feeling the way I'm feeling now, especially when there's nothing to not be grateful for, you know, there's always something to be grateful for, keep that in mind. But whenever I'm feeling the way I'm feeling now, music is always my go-to, and then followed by food. Yeah, these are songs that, like, whenever I'm feeling sad, or whenever I'm just, like, in a good mood and I want to be in a better mood, just smiling, they put me in a good mood. These are songs that, when they play randomly, I'm not going to skip them over because they always make me smile. So we're going to start off the list at number 10, and like I said, no particular order, but number 10 on the list is Tupac's Do For Love. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that he sampled What You Won't Do For Love, which is a great song to begin with. So yeah, you tried everything, but you don't give up. Number 9 on the list is Karma Chameleon. Every time this is one of my go-to songs in karaoke. This is one of my go-to songs when we're talking 80s playlists. When I used to do Uber pickup riders, I used to play my 80s playlist, and then I really like your playlist. And this is a song that played a lot, and it wasn't playing a lot because it was on the playlist, 80s playlist. It was on my playlist, and I played it a lot. So this was on my, like, repeat songs. Yeah, Karma Chameleon just always gets me in the mood. And there's something about 80s music in general, but this one, I think it's a repetitive. It's Karma. Anyways, yeah. Karma Chameleon. If you haven't heard it, definitely hear it. Number 8 on my list is Jammin' by Bob Marley. I really, really do like this song. I am a big Bob Marley fan. But there's something about this song that makes me smile because I do like the message of the song. I do love the vibes. But somewhere down the line, the jamming start to get really funny to me. And it just starts becoming a joke. No disrespect to the song, but it starts becoming a joke because of how he says jamming. So every time I listen to the song, I just start laughing. And it eventually turns into, like, everyone's just laughing because of the way I say jamming. Because he'd be like, we jamming. And I'm like, we're jamming! We're jamming! Jamming, we're jamming. Jamming, we're jamming. Like, who doesn't like jamming? And then he has the courtesy to say, I hope you like jamming too. Songs that feel inclusive always make you feel better. Once again, this is no particular order. I really have to reiterate that. It's in no particular order. These are songs that just always put me in a good mood. Number 7 on the list is The Beach Boys, Kokomo. Aruba, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take it. Like, it's in my bucket list to go to all the places that he described in the song Kokomo. Number 6 on the list. Number 6 on the list is going to surprise a lot of you. Just kidding. If you've been following me for a minute, then you know I love BTS. Number 6 on the list is Boy With Love. This is one of the songs that kind of like eased me into them. It kind of got me into them. I love the choreography. You know, the choreography is so much fun. Boy With Love always puts me in a good mood. It's such a positive, upbeat song, you know? Such a sweet love song, you know? It's not super, super direct. Like, I love you, I can't live without you. And it's sweet. For me, the part that gets me smiling is, oh, my, my, my. Oh, my, my, my. I remember when I first realized that I was hooked on the song. Like, I would change my voice up to make it sound funny. I'd be like, oh, my, my, my. And someone was like, is that Elmo? And I was like, no, it's BTS. And they're like, why does that K-pop group sound like Elmo? And I was like, no, they don't sound like Elmo. That's just me sounding like Elmo. 5 on the list, halfway there, is Motown Philly by Boyz II Men. Motown Philly puts you in a good mood. Motown Philly, back again. That's probably like one of my favorites. It's such a fun song. When they perform it, people go buck wild. And when I hear it, I go buck wild. Back in school. Yeah, calm down. That's what I mean. We're halfway through the list, and I'm already feeling like, you know, like I'm in a better mood. Like yesterday, my mother was like, "Hey, are you okay?" I was like, "Why? What's up?" And she's like, "Your face, it's not full of joy like it usually is, like full of life." And I'm like, if my mama notice and my mama don't notice, then you can tell something's up with me. Number 4 on the list. This is a song that also counts as a get hype song. Beast mode song. You know, I used to put this in my gym playlist, my before work playlist, my dinner rush playlist, and it's Levels by Avicii. R.I.P. Avicii. Like, literally, the only thing the song says is the only lyrics you need to hear. Sometimes I get a good feeling. I get a feeling that I never felt before. I get a good feeling. You don't need to hear anything else. That's it. And then the anticipation of the buildup of the beat drop is awesome. And that's what makes the song so awesome. This is one song I hate. I don't hate this song. I love this song. This is actually one of my favorite songs of all time, by the way. This is a song I hate to catch at a red light because you're not in the mood to be all calm and docile at a red light. You want to be like, and then it takes me back to 2011, 2012 when I was working in South Beach and like EDM was really popping off, you know. Number 3 on the list is Riptide by Vance Joy. I think one of the craziest thing about this list is that there's barely any hip hop in this, and I love hip hop. I love you when you're singing that song. I remember hearing that song and like I became obsessed with the song. Like that was my song. The year that song came out, I listened to that song at least twice a day. It was crazy. I listened to it in the morning. I listened to it at night. I was listening to it in the car on my way to work. Like I was listening to it every single day. If I had a playlist, I would add it to my playlist. It was on every one of my playlists except my Sexy Time playlist. That would just not make any sense. I had to be realistic. And the reason why it makes me smile is just, it's so simplistic, so random, and at the end of the day, like it is a fun, joyful song. Number 2 on the list, somebody that I used to know, Gaultier. When this song came out, like, I'm telling you, I had a 45-minute commute to work. I would play it at least twice on my way there. I would listen to it while I was at work, and I would listen to it twice on my way home. I was listening to this song every single day. There are days where I'd have it on repeat. I'd be like, one more time, just one more time. And this went on for like a year and a half. It's just such a fun song to sing along to, you know. And like for me, where I like sing random lyrics out loud out of nowhere, I'll be like, somebody that I used to know. It's great for karaoke. It's a great sing-along song. Like, it's really hard to find someone on this planet that hasn't heard that song or doesn't like it. Oh, the beat is amazing. The instrumentals are amazing. I don't know where the hell he got those instruments from, but so dope. So dope. You've reached the end of the list, and number 1 on my list is Pete Townsend, Let My Love Open the Door. This song, I don't know how to explain it, but it's in my memory banks. Like every time I hear it, I feel like I heard it in a movie once. And I can pinpoint the movie. It feels like it's a part of my memory from when I was a child. And I can pinpoint the memory. Every time I hear it, it takes me back to when I was like 5, 6 years old. And I have no idea why, because I don't remember hearing this song as a child. I didn't get into the song until I was like probably 20, 21. So I have no idea why. But this song always makes me smile. People keep repeating, you'll never fall in love. Just such a fun song. Like every time I just let my love, I like I get all soft and I start smiling. Like this is the one. If there was a countdown, this would be number 1 on the list for real, for real, for real. I don't know what it is, but this song always makes me smile. And yeah, so that's my list. These are 10 songs that always put me in a good mood no matter what. They always make me smile, always make me sing along. I hope you guys take a listen to them. Appreciate it. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna link them in the description so you guys can check them out. Check out the music videos on YouTube, whatever makes you happy. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And like always, don't sleep on me. I love y'all. Well, if you haven't already, listen to Word Vomit. It's out now. You know what I'm saying? It's actually pretty good.